Jack Daniels, Tennessee whiskey, coffee. This stuff. Oh, what on my nose? Oh my god. Oh crap, I got a bloody nose. Oh my gosh. That hurt, guys. I'll be right back. Holy cow. That has never happened before. I never know what's going to happen on those live streams. Note to self, don't snort strong coffee. It's my allergies. I got my seasonal allergies, and everything up here is already sensitive anyway. But all right, man, I don't know. Something's got to change, guys. I've been giving this a lot of thought, and I've been getting a little stressed out. This whole everything going on. Let's get back in Peggy the Mustang here, and let's go explore, clear my mind. You guys can come along with me. Look at all this sunshine, guys. I got the windows down, fresh air coming in, sunshine everywhere, although it might rain later. They are calling for a little bit of rain. That's okay, we're gonna enjoy it while it lasts. Oh, I feel so much better. I could have taken the motorcycle today, but I threw the drone back there, and I don't know, it was just easier this way. So, now, we'll go explore North Alton first today. Nice, quiet little afternoon here in Alton, Illinois. Heck yeah, man. Although they just cut this grass recently, and it's already starting to bother me. Time to get back on my Claritin for seasonal allergies. I've been here before, but it's been a while, and I got a lot of new subscribers. We've got Mr. Robert Wadlow's monster chair here. It's a replica size of the real chair he had. And I'm sitting in it. Makes me feel like a little guy. We got Robert over here also. Tallest guy in the world. What was he, like 7 foot something, I think? Yeah. You know what they say about a guy with big feet? He wears big shoes. Yeah. I guess this is part of a campus or something, but there's a lot of really old buildings around here. Robert Wadlow, I just looked it up, was actually nearly 9 foot tall, by the way. He was a really tall guy. Look at this old building. That could be Robert's old house. It's boarded up, kind of preserved, like they don't want anybody going into it. Otherwise, they got some other official buildings, like that's a campus building over there. Oh, it's SIEU, by the way. Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm a sucker for old buildings and history. This one doesn't actually have a plaque, but you can tell it's been here for quite a while, probably holds a lot of history. I want to believe that it's Robert's old house. I do, but who knows? Actually, I want to show you one more thing as we reverse here. I think Robert Wadlow's real house is this one right here. I think. It would be nice if they put some plaques up, because I know there's some history around these parts, but that might be his home, and its other cool building is something else. That's the cat house. That's where all cats go to hang out. Yeah. I swear, though, you can drive through here sometimes and think that nothing has changed. And I know a lot of cities are looking like that. I mean, the only thing that's different is all the businesses are closed that are non-essential. It's so weird. It's not... I don't really know how to say it. It's just... It doesn't make sense that so many people can't work right now. I have so many people, so many family members in the medical field, and they are all just so anti-everything opening. Like Texas today finally started opening up state parks, although they're not allowed camping. And all my family are all just like, this is the worst idea ever. Everything, this country needs to stay shut down for years till we figure this out. Years, I tell you. It's like... My gosh, you guys, we can't function as a society if we're shut down for 5 more years. We just can't do it. Eventually, you're going to have to be open to the idea of some things reopening. Okay, rant over. Oh, what's going on here? We can't go there. The park is closed. Now, sometimes you can still go to the park. You just can't. No, that one is definitely closed. Dang it. Well... Right on the other side of these bushes over here is nowhere to Okay. Oh my gosh. Ladies and gentlemen, the infamous haunted McPike Mansion here, built in 1869 and very much haunted. What was that? Did you hear that? Normally it would be open to the public, but during COVID right now, I guess it's closed. Google says it's open, but it's not open. It's very much closed, but I would love to go on a tour of the inside. It's just not advised right now. Why is it haunted? I don't know. It looks nice and pretty and not creepy, right? Yeah, we'll go with that. See, now why do these places creep me out so much, guys? I would never be a very good urban explorer. I literally have goosebumps and I just don't like it. Don't like it. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Actually, I think let's go see the water. I miss the Mississippi River, so I'm gonna go head. I think we just go straight down. We'll hit the water right down here. All right. All right. Bye, creepy mansion. There's some big hills. Flashbacks to being in San Francisco there for a second. Oh man, sunglasses? Yeah. Schweigel's is open. It's like a grocery store. Yeah, a little convenience store. Full stop. So you don't like my Texas stops. Yeah, see, this is Old Town Alton here. Look at this old building off to our right. Is that a church? Probably a church. That is an old building, yeah. First Presbyterian Church. And another big hill that I can't see. And the water! That's awesome. Well, there's the Mississippi River, guys. We were flooding about a week ago in this area. And it looks like it's back to normal, because I think this parking lot down here was even flooded. Oh, Eric, can we go on the rest of the road? That was weird. The old brick road. Good old brick. The brick. I'm going to just park right here. Looks like this park's open. Okay, go figure. You got the old Lincoln and Douglas debate here, a town square here in Alton. Yeah, when is this COVID thing gonna end? I'm with you, man. And behind Mr. Lincoln here, you can see that red line on the bottom of those right there. See that red line right above that truck? That's the old flood, the Great Flood of Alton, where the Mississippi River was that high. All this was flooded. Also on the Illinois side of the Mississippi River here, you got the Argosy here, which looks like one of those old riverboat casinos. It's docked now, but it has some history for the area because, back in the day, just like the show Ozark, it was a maritime casino that didn't have applicable to the laws of the land because it was on the water. And over the years, at some point, they just decided to kind of make it part of the mainland anyway because the Illinois casino laws changed at some point. But kind of a staple in the area here, I guess, too. Big old boat casino. All right, well, I'm going to creep my way back to the RV. Might make one more stop at this thing that's always sticking out on me. I just got to find it. It's a really tall monument. Oh, it's right up here. It's right up here. Check it out, another red brick road, guys. We are going way uphill, by the way. This car is a 5-speed with no e-brake, so I don't know what it is. I'm gonna stop and park somewhere, and of course, all these signs say no parking anytime. But what about right here? Not on this side of the road. If there was a theme to today's vlog, it's slightly spooky. We're actually here at a cemetery. But look at this monument. Yeah. They must have had some money for this plot. Okay, it's really weird because it's like a normal cemetery with gravestones. And then you got this guy who's like a millionaire. Maybe he's like the town founder. Here's a thing right here. Like literally right as I was thinking that. Elijah P. Lovejoy. Not Reverend Lovejoy from The Simpsons? Probably not. Probably different. Editor of the St. Louis Observer, Lovejoy wrote powerful anti-slavery editorials that gained national attention, but his views were very unpopular in Missouri, a slave state. In 1836, Lovejoy moved his press to Alton and renamed it the Alton Observer. Pro-slavery groups repeatedly attacked Lovejoy, destroying and throwing his press into the Mississippi River 3 times. Oh my gosh. On November 7, 1837, Lovejoy was shot and killed during a riot while protecting his 4th printing press. No one was ever convicted for any act committed during this event. Lovejoy's example inspired John Brown and sparked the ideas debated by Abraham Lincoln and Senator Stephen Douglas 21 years later. And there's a picture of Lovejoy's 4th press when it arrived in 1837. Well, I had a fun day out exploring. Need to stop and grab one thing on my way back to the RV, and then we'll check in on Jax, see how the little bugger's doing, see if he wants to eat some grass and puke it up. Ooh, fries? I like French fries. Okay. No, seriously, guys. Cemeteries creep me out just as much as haunted houses. No. Well, I'm back to where the RV is parked, guys. Yeah. I maintained my social distancing, didn't come in contact with a single person. I did my part to social distance. I keep saying this over and over, and yet, still some of you watching are losing your mind over the fact that Nomadic Fanatic is outside during a pandemic. Again, I don't even want to say it. I'm done with it. I don't care what you think. You don't understand the guidelines. You don't get it. You don't get it. I'm not hurting anybody. I'm not doing anything I'm not supposed to be doing, so, yeah. Let's go see Jax. Hey, Jax man, we'll go eat some grass. Let's find some grass for Catman Jax. I think it's over here. It's grass, Jax. You can eat some grass. Want to eat some grass and puke? Yeah, man. Been waiting all day for you. Yeah, man. That's pretty good right there. All that Illinois grass. Oh, that Illinois grass is so good. Speaking of Illinois grass, happy 420 to y'all. I want to get this video wrapped up and uploaded before I do my live stream tonight so I can relax here on 420. Yeah. All right, you ready for the rain that's coming, Jax? No? Should we leave Illinois? Should we go over into Missouri? Is there less rain there? I think so. Okay, so I'll clear out all my personal belongings out of Peggy here. Got tomorrow to load the bike back up onto Miranda and make a change. I am very excited about the future, guys. I'll probably see you on Thursday, I think. Yeah, unless you're on Patreon, I'll see you tonight for the live chat at 8 p.m. Central. Guys, take care. Have a good day. Bye-bye.